When you administer phone systems, managing soft phones could be painful. You want installation and setup of soft phones to be simple. You also want to ensure that your users' SIP credentials as well as your infrastructure remain secure. Unfortunately, existing software solutions are not user-friendly and require individual setup and maintenance for every single app. With Ringotel Shell, you can simplify the installation and setup of soft phones without breaking existing infrastructure and compromising on security. Provision apps remotely and create shared contacts with VLFs via easy-to-use admin portal. While users will receive automated emails with QR codes for easy access to Ringotel's feature-rich mobile and desktop apps. Ringotel keeps actual SIP credentials encrypted without sending them to end users, which reduces security threats. You can even deploy Ringotel servers within your infrastructure for complete control over your data. Contact us today and start offering your customers a mobile-first solution they will love.